Wordle. Here are 5 things you might not know. Wordle was developed by Josh Wardle, and he used to work as an engineer at Reddit. Back in 2013, he developed a similar game, but none of his friends really cared for it, so he shelved the idea. Josh Wardle is a software engineer, and his partner loves playing word games. As a result of this, Wordle was created as a labour of love. Bored during the pandemic, he designed and built a game for the two of them to play. He never expected many other people to take a look, but he took the opportunity to revive that game from 2013. And the end product is Wordle as we know it today. In the months following release, the game started to gain an audience. Jump forward to January 2022 and Wordle was seeing 2 million people every day. Surprisingly, more people share the results in group chats than on Twitter. And this really gives an idea as to the scale, since Twitter is seeing around 350,000 Wordle results every day. Josh's time at Reddit taught him a lot about product design, and specifically, design responsibility. Wardle worked on the project titled The Place, where Redditors could place one tile every 5 minutes. Through community collaboration, the results were surprisingly coordinated. From this project, Wardle said, "I think for me personally, it was really useful to think about what responsibility you have to create a space for people to interact. You actually make a ton of decisions that impact the way that they interact with one another." I believe this philosophy could and should have been applied more heavily in the development of our currently dominant social networks for more positive results. Wordle's Dictionary of Words excludes many obscure words, and this is thanks to Wardle's partner, who helped him trim them down. You can thank her that we aren't having to guess words such as amilse, vanu, or droll. All up, they trimmed the guessable words from over 12,000 down to 10,657. Mind you, this count was before the New York Times took over and made some adjustments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, or if you learned something new.